I never really say I love you because this is just not me. But you know you are very important like in my heart.
I know you.
哎呦，不要哭啦！哎呦喂！Hi, I'm Xixi, and this is my mochi. She's Kobe's son. So today we are going to cook a very special dish, a dish that's very close to my heart, which is called the Fried Mee Tai Mak. It's being passed down from my grandmother, so I love being around my grandmother when she cooked as well. So I always remember her saying this, 跟那鬼进叉! Because I'll be running around, picking the food, make sure I will sneak some, into my mouth. I'll be constantly eating. Okay, a very important tip to cook up this fried mee tai mak, right, is to make sure you put the mee tai mak in the boiling water first, boil it, and then soak it in cold water. So I love watching her cook because being around her will, allow me to pretend that I can cook and make sure that she don't burn my food.
我超大。Always to prepare your ingredients first.
And then I guess it will speed up the whole process also.
Yes.
Ma, I can do this.
This is the dish that she will ask for.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Wow, smells good eh. So now you're gonna pour in the mee tai mak.
Okay, now you can add a little bit of the light sauce for me.
Okay, a bit?
Yes, please. A little bit more.
A little bit more, okay. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
You sure?
Can I have this? Thank you so much.
I can have.
Yeah, you must go this way.
Just now I did that for the ingredient and then you went, oh! When I was very, very young, when I was 4, I sing a lot. And she even brought me to competition.
She asked for it. They have this
TV station.
Yeah, so they are looking for audition.
She just brought me there and I just queue.
She's very independent. And then from there, I noticed and I spotted her talent. Yeah, I just let her go.
She actually taught me how to sing, how to perform, and she don't stop me from doing what I like. So if anyone would ask me, like, how do you start in this media industry, I would say it's because of my mom.
Yeah, it's ready to serve.
This is for you to show my appreciation of the days whereby you take care of me and how last minute I actually call you to say that I need this, Mom, I need this to be done. You have never once said no.
And I'll continue to do whatever I can till the end of my day. 真的.
Ayo, don't say that.
永远都在，永远都在。感谢，感谢。
The mee tai mak later we tapao home, okay? And wishing all the mothers out there, you are great, you are courageous, you are perfect, okay?
Certainly.
And wishing you a great Happy Mother's Day.
Certainly.